You never know what you might need when you're filming on the go, but my backpack is always ready for anything. Epic third-person view shots, hyperlapses, drone shots, bullet time shots, time lapses, road trips, and more. So follow along as I show you everything I keep inside my 360 camera backpack. The backpack itself is called the Best360 Camera Backpack, and it's especially designed for consumer 360 cameras. There are 4 large zipper pockets and 2 large mesh pockets to organize your 360 cameras and accessories. To complement the small and lightweight 360 cameras and accessories, the backpack only weighs 720 grams, and when you're out on an adventure, carrying less weight goes a long way. My back and shoulders felt fine after wearing this backpack all day in the mountains. The 2 360 cameras I plan to use in 2023 include the Insta360 X3 and the Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition. The X3 is the easiest and most fun to use 360 camera out there. It's definitely the best place to start if you're in the market for a new 360 camera. The video quality is more than good enough for social media, and Insta360 has the fastest and most intuitive workflow to turn your raw footage into posts on social media just using your phone. When I want a little extra video quality and better low light performance, then I'll use the 1-inch 360 because it has 1-inch sensors and Leica lenses compared to the 1/2-inch sensors on the X3. If I have to pick one accessory to carry with me at all times, then it has to be the Best360 Monopod. And most of the time I am using the selfie stick on its own to capture amazing 360 shots. The best thing about using a selfie stick with a 360 camera is the invisible selfie stick effect. You can point the selfie stick in different directions and you can make it look like a cameraman is following you or even walking in front of you. You can walk around a nice area with your selfie stick and speed it up in editing to turn it into a hyperlapse. You can also secure the 150cm selfie stick on the side of the backpack using these 2 clips and make it look like a drone is following you. The possibilities are endless. When I'm on my own and I need to go hands-free, then I mount the selfie stick on the tripod legs and counterweight, and then in editing I can reframe the video to make it look like someone is filming me. The Insta360 selfie stick is good when you're starting out, but when you feel limited by the 114cm length, try the Best360 150cm selfie stick instead. If you're an independent creator and you don't have anyone to film yourself, then this setup is going to help you a lot. I absolutely love road trips and driving on epic roads, and to capture those memories I use the Best360 magnetic camera mount. It's very strong and really easy to use. It sticks onto magnetic surfaces of a car in a split second, and that's it, you're ready to go. The 10cm spacer comes with the magnetic camera mount, and it basically creates some space between the mount and the camera lenses, so when you're filming you get a clearer view of your surroundings. Sometimes when the weather conditions is too windy, it's just not possible to set up a monopod to capture a time lapse, so instead I use the Best360 camera clamp, and it's a small and portable clamp to mount your 360 camera and selfie stick to things around you. Previously I was using the Manfrotto Super Clamp, and I've been recommending this clamp for years, but it's just too big, bulky and heavy to carry around. The Best360 camera clamp is a mini version of the Manfrotto Super Clamp, and despite its small size, it's still strong enough to hang off the 1-inch 360 and selfie stick on the side of a windy promenade. The Insta360 bullet time string is pretty cool to get those 360 matrix-like shots. Since it's small and light, there's no reason not to put it in my backpack. I always carry 2 spare X3 batteries when I go out filming for the day in my backpack, and between 3 batteries I find it more than enough for a day of filming, but if I do need more power, then I always carry a 10,000 mAh power bank to charge my X3 batteries or my phone. The Insta360 Quick Reader is a great tool to edit Reels, TikToks and Shorts on the go. It will save you plenty of storage space on your phone because you are editing directly from the camera's micro SD card, and you can edit your videos in the Insta360 app with the fastest and smoothest editing experience possible, especially when you're editing multiple videos together with lots of effects. Last but not least, a cleaning cloth is really important to keep your lenses clean, because dirt, dust, smudges, fingerprints and raindrops can spoil your 360 video. And there we have it. Now you know everything that I carry in my 360 camera backpack. Hit the like button if you learned something new, subscribe for more 360 tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.